me. Mira headshot red. YouTube. The thing is gonna get the shot red. En heel even welke verhaast. Okay, shouldn't pick my shot. Yeah, he should be scared of me first. Good. August. Really? Oh, she can you. Cached. Toshi Shimaha, Falchi Leska Klikamich, Mission Double Click Picking of Arak Jedi Orstu Lian Juk, Roka Kashik, Son Nuwuki's Eistin, Roka Mishima. And to this Mierig, Rashin Air, Manager Hasha.
Pick anywhere except Dathomir. Hate that place.
Wel, geleden geen talk at Dathomir hast. But try to pull up a couple of question on to this Mierig. So,
So, if the Order thing is rebuilt, do you think any Jedi will come out of hiding?
What makes you think there are Jedi hiding?
No, just curious.
Is there someone specific you're thinking of?
Well, growing up, we heard tales of a green, pointy-eared, legendary Jedi Master, and...
Are you talking about Master Yoda? Yes, he is very legendary.
Wait, what? Who? No, I'm talking about Master Yaddle.
The Jedi High Council member?
Yeah, we all have our dreams, okay? Let me have mine.
No problem.
no, yeah.
We're about to drop out of hyperspace. Sit down.
Phantom Menace is alles good at.
Tell me we're not running that blockade.
Oh, only as a last resort. I've rigged the Mantis' transponder to transmit Imperial signals. Hey, Grease.
Yeah,
Keep your power signature low and act like we belong.
just like Braca. No sweat. I don't need another set of hands. Just please keep your eye on the scanner.
All right.
Please.
All right.
All right.
I don't see anything.
You're preoccupied with something on the ground. We're clear.
That doesn't look good.
The Empire is devouring Kashyyyk for its natural resources. Wookiees have been enslaved or displaced.
That was a close one, kid. Aren't you supposed to be watching the monitors?
Guerrilla fighters, Wookiees and off-worlders ambushing an Imperial convoy.
Walkers approaching their position.
Tarf could be with them.
Alpha could be anywhere, like deep in the ground, like we're gonna be if we get caught up in that battle down there.
We don't have any other options, and they'll die without our help.
So what's your plan?
Sabotage. We used to scrap walkers on Braca. I'll just jack one.
Get a load of the kid. He thinks we're back in the Clone Wars.
Captain, get us near those walkers.
Wait, what?
Listen, those walkers double as troop transport, so once you get inside, be careful.
No freeze grease to work his magic.
Hey, do me a favor. Stay alive down there.
I'll add it to the plan.
Right, if you're jumping, you better do it now, kid.
You ready for a swim, BD?
Scania.
You ready to do this? Ah.
Switch to the factory dickhead, Jim Patrick shot. Broke out the editing.
Now, how do we get on top? Okay. Now where? Just a little more. Guess we keep going. Climb to the top.
Keine kan straight shaft thing. It's big damage.
There's no pulse. Your turn to report fatalities. This is L97240 reporting in. We've got confirmed casualties. It's the Jedi! We've got this! I knew it would end like this. Reading a new ship on scanners. They brought more firepower than we thought. How's our hull looking? Badly damaged. We're at 70% integrity and falling. That should still be enough to stop out these insurgents. Keep us steady. Yes, sir. Huh?
It actually worked. Okay, throttle.
What's happening over there? You're in violation of Imperial Protocol
Shut that guy up.
207. Stand down or we won't...
Let's do this. That's a lot of lasers. Whoops. Got it.
Hey! Who are you?
Someone who just brought an AT-AT to the table. Who are you?
Someone making the Empire angry. We're advancing on an imp landing pad up ahead. And with my fire support,
Copy that. Let's make them even angrier. Took out the bridge.
Attack him, quickly!
There's the landing pad. Gotta take them out. You just keep coming. It's headed for us. Can you do anything? Brace yourself, BD!
Sure, páistínseach leis an bheitharcin go bhfuil callachtaí cuisteanna na sean Yemen Rogue Squadron.
Yeah, I'm okay. You all right? No, we are not doing that again.
you just wrecked a perfectly good walker. Got a name?
Cal Kestis,
Saw Gerrera. What are you doing on Kashyyyk?
looking for somebody. What are you doing here?
My companions and I came to Kashyyyk to disrupt Imperial supply lines.
Hey!
So, who are you looking for?
A Wookiee chieftain named Tarful.
Tarful is impossible to find. There's a reason he's evaded the Empire for this long.
He's a freedom fighter?
He's the freedom fighter. A symbol of the Wookiee resistance.
Tell him, Shin.
Striking at the Empire from the Shadowlands.
Seer, Grease, this is Saw.
How you doing?
What do you want with Tarful?
Jedi business.
Jedi are dead.
Not all of them.
Get that off a corpse?
My master gave it to me.
This pad supports an Imperial refinery that runs on Wookiee slave labor. Intel suggests that some of the captives there are guerrilla fighters.
I should help them. One of them might know how to contact Tarful.
It's possible.
Whoa, wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. The Mantis works wonders. I mean, it's a great ship, excellent pilot, but it is not built for close support.
We'll stay here and monitor Imperial transmissions. With a bit of luck, we'll intercept any distress calls.
Appreciate it. My lieutenants and I will scout ahead to prepare the attack. Join us when you're ready. Go! Go!
Dálkas na cookies a berries. Máis na plachas scope tá seach. Sí. Vision Sparta, VS and AT-AT. Jay Yoshi. Ferkin in a dai mar gyfeil sin is slia a dhéanamh go timpeall éile his Russian
Heard Saw's hoping to find some news of Tarful at the refinery. A report came in this morning that he's been seen in the Shadowlands. One Imperial transmission pinned him near a Wookiee village, as if there aren't hundreds of those in the area. Stormtroopers.
Stel me tíiste Jen.
I really need a stim. I'm okay.
The go from the having gosh. What happened? We should. Hal CFM the wiki letter. Says the colony.
Oh, all right then.
What do we find? Enough to film Rogue One. Ryan, if you.
Over here! There'll be supplies inside this walker. You okay? I'm fine. Phew! I'm fine. Maybe a little bruised.
If anything goes wrong with this plan, we're finished.
Mari's mapped out the nearest garrisons. The Empire won't have time to send reinforcements.
Oh, han kjall er her.
Hey, Saw should be at the other end of this trench. Looks like a technician's bench.
Hello dear. I has to repent to fellow dear gossip. I swear to God,
How much current can you conduct? Well, with this transformer, I bet you can short-circuit Imperial tech.
We also had you to have to jump in fellow here.
Stim, now!
Chief, green vision.
What? I'm looking.
Jag refused to like jag fish fuckle is in that. Patty
Let's try it. Come here, BD1. Let's go, BD1. Let's go, BD1. Way too close. Scanning again? Job.
Spray.
Jedi, over here.
Oh. Oh.
Imperial Sap refinery lies dead ahead.
What does the Empire want with tree sap?
Nothing good. They refine the sap into a powerful compound, and they're rushing to expand production.
We have to stop them.
That's the plan. We don't know their end game, but they spread themselves too thin. This map we recovered proves it.
Here you go, bud.
These refineries double as brutal prison camps. We use those cutters to create a distraction, while you take your lightsaber and free the Wookiees inside. We need their help to stop the Empire.
Understood.
Watch yourself in there.
Oh, okay.
You hear that? Said he needs my help. Come on, buddy.
He's telling Charlie's video. Hoe kunnen Hershey interesseren? Eins nach een scarrig diet so natre agus is goed milig na himprach agus mar sin garich gan injelen mar sin ginnegus nerit an is goed Lord of the Rings is mar sin le Mordor is Isengard be our stormtroopers that can reverse. Nice job.
Over there. One of the cutters turned on. Are they running some kind of drill? Maybe. Think we should call it in? Will that be a breach of protocol? If there's a disturbance, their squad should call it in. Yeah. Better do this by the book. Enemy approaching! Dead! I hit him! How am I supposed to hit him? Shoot that Jedi! We are next! What?
Ashen. Geen enemies, ja, sure. Ja, ja.
Attention all units. We've lost contact with our ship stationed at Cargo Pad 119 Greg.
I know I'll get you.
Geen idee daar.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's shaking. Great. It's just me then. I'll get you. Can't win, can ya?
Shushing. I thought I could go as a fan in a HF did Fusion. Valid. Actually, I should have.
Watch out!
Boss.
A Jedi. This is what I'm trained for. Face me, coward.
Vind ik me zo Sen heb je geturd met al laat. Alles. Husky gear now. Scout troopers.
Filthy traitor! You are weak.
Ah, fluff.
You're going to bleed.
Oh.
I won't lose. Face me, coward.
We've got them on the run.
Machine.
Keep pushing. Looks like you're blocked. I'll fix that. Never seen a trooper like that before. You gotta get these Wookiees out of lockup. Keep moving, Jedi. Vents open.
Let's tell him Purge Troopers a Hashin had misschien een uur zijn de gamen has ja en je heen jou maar ik gaat nas ekkel chef na Stormtroopers but how clacked you the Stormtroopers have Purge Trooper
Tight fit, huh, BD?
Flame beetles! They're coming through the walls!
Hit their nest.
You really dead?
Cheers aan de hand bij gonna chain him met a boog so I
I feel like this war with the insurgents will never end.
Hostile approaching.
Don't like our chances here.
Just you and me, scum.
Help me, BD.
melee at the flame troopers agent. Shouldn't yeah, no. Shouldn't adapt. Strapped on here. I mean, Doc is good enough. I don't know how to darn it, few hit
You sure you want to plug into
the
this
ish
thing?
and snatch at the shaw.
Oh, shortcut. That's where you
Joe
wanted to move this thing.
Vlad, I reckon. Good enough to chase
You
the
had no
trip.
idea that was there, did you? You just wanted to turn that cutter on. Savage stal na hen. Hier sin bekan fash. Nostalgica. Sin.
Your turn. Fire all weapons. That's it for our flame troopers. How's he doing that? I think I'm done. I got this.
Oh, she had affecting BD hand.
Wonder if Grease can cook.
Shield ood.
seem happy.
Yes, Ruth. Yeah.
Hey! What is it?
Taylor's on a lightsaber. Joker Senior lightsaber out of the back and an ish. Has got him. Good chicken out of the going Niet er oh, that's it. Boss. Keşkil That's it.
Toss it! Now!
Goed. Look at that. So mi ferci mae gyda sin yn nether ogdo bogdo achos an y flaned a sio. So fel sin inch nach rhywle ar y...
Oh, okay. Something we can use?
Jacket. Commando. Corruption. Well. Nah. Alone a bunch of Joe. Als je een graag maar gaat, dan kan je motor uit dat is. Dat is een heel. Kurdish force hacking. Oh, it's hell of a kill. Speed hell of a kill. This of what a Russian. Russian, huh? She and Ilan here. I think we could Isn't heavy late you can make it now. Well, heb ik Jedi als te creëren kunnen we strap. Ja, nog. Stoch garage itself at a run stormtroopers. Oh man. Kill that shit. Come on, Star Wars. Down. Set barrels. Volatile chemical. Cached, so jetzt schon knuschtach.
I just heard from the captain. They're coming. Oh, this is it.
sin éhín sin ruta éhín míon sin né tíach an bheas ach gon dúirt as an we have the high ground.
Pretty hurt.
Yeah, we've having at the shad it'll be sapage na hami it'll be agus a lame agus where's that hami chen cad well femi kibel skin to go two of us written hami chen cad okay shouldn't the shad listen they shashi
What was that?
yeah
Another hijack cutter. Reporting a live cutter near the cell blocks. Immediate aid requested. It's breaking through.
how cash dashin Vic Super Mario fat the shad it'll be session tell him if he current blaster bolts rashuch but Marshin I've had a can come Kuakal.
Still alive in there?
So far, almost to the prison.
Good.
What would I
Imperial
please?
distress calls are going out across the planet. If you don't get the prisoners soon,
We can do this. I promise.
Hanna Stormtroopers go back here and good kind had at the canteen written Avian your gammon. Oh, I shouldn't fear it. Can you at the spade no she and mission. Yeah, well Sonic Disney ha Star Wars and ish so that you'd spade I can sure agent written each sorry, well, we can't in each noch. Dacht ik wel me. Wie kijk nou. Ach, als je een Leodic in Star Wars is misschien eruit. Spedig. Maar, special ik denk je aan de Star Wars, dan had je vaak aan de Hanin heen, vaak aan Carabast. Ach, dat was het.
What's over there? Execute the intruder.
Two of us up
Here.
Jedi's injured.
Can't watch.
Stand and fight. Keep on it.
the leaching rina join wat kurasten join mas
Let's give him a thrashing.
Converge on the target. Use me, traitor.
Ik zit niet in gaan. Ah, ja, voorskill ja, dat.
I'll erase you from existence.
Ja.
I won't lose.
Of. Geworden, de HP verder. Stach ik wel, stach ik wel een purge trooper chase ik ieder Django Fett. Go heen je me fake gehad als je een Arama haak, is dat zo. Ik weet nog geen bodyguard, like General Grievous, want ze beste film. Flach gessen en I don't yet raw lightsabers. Machine. Shortcut I think. Yes. Wees mentioned stach ik hem 5 keer Purge Troopers and a Rogue One. Nee, my keen check me shit like that. Ach, Oh.
Give me a stim.
Tja. Dat is Delia. Where's your brain? Slug? Ashen. Gee, Ashen.
Thanks, BD1.
Tíach seall ar an enam sin sin tíach sin fiad ó sin chanéon na Jedi go méid go friend lítear a canig na híntarach gur san scrisa an seall hén ceis go dana. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, son. Hína sás agus dochas deichcin stream ile agus go bhí lá. Cheers. Ceall ar a chréibh é sin. Is vind sin nu de chríochnichas bí a gceime seo chéad rud a níní sé soundtrack ein. Ar rud a cin? Odd. Is fiad hallam Houston is an fic a cube. Tøv seo hánig mí. No. Seo?
The operation is expanding into Sector 7. They call it the Shadowlands. It's crawling with hostiles.
Shadow. Oh, you seo far a rushing. Is nicht shortcut. It's gonna. Hello dich. Sin cad. Arich. Peel. Commission. Everything home in. Yoshi now. Thatcher some flash of that. You should know a year or something. So if we can you don't see me tatting. Actually we laugh and we go. Yeah, really good to it from the PD.
That's the path to the Shadowlands? There has to be a way across. You're right. We can't search the whole forest. Better get back to Saul.
Oh, I can read all this. Joke. Yeah, I know. Slia. It hurt. So I can read. All financial shouldn't stop it since all that. Here. Pushing a shortcut to the gym, so we shouldn't fail out that I can be Keelig. Oh, hitchin is staying in a minute, as mentioned. Yoshin Shah Tasha.
A Wookiee slave caller.
Ach, en neem zien tal, is staying in actually. Speaks mention me in. Machine. Machine. And. Prick. Oops. Guys. Gosh, yeah. Koski Sheener playing good. Playing good. Oh, love. Retailer aan klachten, als je wilt zeggen. Scan ja. Stel hem zich stijlach. De written damage. Oh. Oh man. Oh.
Incoming!
Generated.
We found the Jedi! We'll vanquish you! Swift Archer!
Is nu kan ik hem naar de kan ik hem iets meer rash. Oh, bridge. Susan in the back of
Someone else take him down! I'm sure we'll beat you!
You can't stop us. You're going to bleed.
Well, can't trust myself. Forgive me. Neil, this is me and Chen.
Let's end him!
He can't get far.
The Jedi's injured. For the Empire.
I'm stepping back!
I'll run you down. You'll have to try. Block while you can.
Listen. Huh.
Don't fall behind you,
Achievement
one.
unlocked. The enemies fixed with cluster bugs. Okay. Jehan.
This needs power.
Look, there's an lift station. Is na gaan. Suicide in the colors on saw and you switch it down.
No guards.
Of. You'll add up the comments to the show. That is.
We're here to free you. You're not alone.
Oh. Oh, hij maakt keer toe zo. Ik zou even een huwelijk maar Rowan. Oh, yeah. Wel, Russian bullig gaat anders wel niet toe. En de wiki is ahead.
Glad to help.
Who's ready to fight some imps? All right, let's help these Wookiees get back in the fight. Great work, Jedi.
Ja, Shane.
Keep going. We'll cover you.
Gotcha. Sin an sin nu a rice sin in ná áte staisiún san
Saw's up ahead. We must be close.
Mar sin mí dulacha bríarach sa savage. Oscar be picking savage I can use. Go ahead. Ah, then you cashed. I wish I had one. Oh man. Let me eat your AirPod, right? And a 3D to you. Okay, no. Head off here, I can show you a fuse. Oh.
Now.
Stimulation thing. And this.
We're pushing them back. Keep it up. You almost got it.
Spice on. Oh, yeah, I'm big.
Gonna need help here.
Inch.
That was great.
Dice tapped on it. What's this? Come with me, Adam. Calcinetto. Hey, generous thought of loading you now in a planet Janela. down to us Ed Kashyyyk.
Oh, all right then. Something we can use?
Darach students and lightsaber. Agus ha sin dúnse. Gursan. Sin curcha chum. Rutbek. Every few 2 seconds as a lifta ha seo. Díidir san fein go doras nach fascail. Clarkin card. Okay, ergens een schade is. Oh. Oh, okay. Nee, we bedoel ik het beetje aan. Ja.
They've got reinforcements. Go back to the prison.
Okay, so. Ja. Die gun ik.
What's that? We're on our way. I promise. We won't leave you.
Oh, Loki's bach. Loki's bach.
To the prisons. We need the Wookiees to finish this. Hurry!
They've got reinforcements!
I see.
Go!
Gotta get them out of there.
Get these cells open.
Got an intruder here.
Oh.
Your odds of surviving are low. Very low. Inferior Jedi. I've got it!
Oh, oh. Yeah.
Fire together! Still resisting? Unwise. How can we win?
Yeah. Neil more than help back him. Shit. Shit. Yeah. Oof, oof. Oh, no. Yuck. Bugger it. Okay, Fiach sin to the sailors nation. Oh yeah, so they're gone. Lightsaber ille. Yuck. Er is een huidje nog. Mijn dag is nog heel veel om te raad leis. Ach, hier zien. Hier zien. Het hartstikke univoor. If you load it, could you listen bullock na dal? Had you been? Yeah, kashin. Fette this. Okay. As you know, stat on hin. I guess. I mean, doch it's an nayak and yomir ashke for a rushing. Stri and I the security charges machine. Aye, statishin on hin. Gaishin. Gosh. Sure, Jimmy en dat herkentje van na first die zuidig een wiki Kashyyyk agus fíochan rí sé listathe seo a lerach de ghaine a ha ag go bhfuil fós. Ach, fuamsa agus bó bídí a hen, siad a drásta, hí sin ina heachcan sibh.